Opening the app takes you straight into the camera to start snapping photos. Preview your project location at the top of the screen. FotoIN will prompt you to confirm the project when there are many projects on the same location. You can select from a list of nearby projects or type in the project name to search for the correct project. When Review and Edit is switched on, it will take you straight into the edit mode after every photo. The tags menu will open if there are any required tags set up on your FotoIN account. Switch on Remembered Selections applies tags to the following photos within the same session. From the edit mode, you can add additional tags to the photo. You can tap anywhere on the photo to add annotations, and you can also add comments. Use speech to text for faster input. You can also add customized markups anywhere on the photo.